Hello, this is Gary Oakes. Here is a WordPress tutorial on the plugin Contact Form 7. Ever wondered how you can add a simple form on your website so people can contact you? Here is a simple form. This is an opportunity for somebody to put their name, their email address, what the subject title is, and the message itself. How does it work? Well, I can just type in my name. I put in an email address, gary@gmail.com. The subject is tests, and I'm just going to say hello. I'm going to send. It says thank you for your message, it has been sent, and off it goes to the email address. So this uses the plugin Contact Form 7. I'm now going to show you how to install and configure the plugin. So if you go over to your dashboard, plugins, add new, and go over here to the keyword search bar and type in Contact Form 7. This is the one here. This is very popular, over 1 million active installs. If you want to know a bit more about the plugin, just click on more details. It will tell you about it here. It's got a fairly high star rating by many people as well, so it is a very popular plugin. Read this at your leisure. I'm going to come out of this. When you're ready, you'll need to install it. What you'll see is an install now button looking like this. Just click on this. I've already installed it, so I just need to activate it. We scroll down. Here it is. You have the opportunity here to set the settings, or you can find it under your dashboard under contact, and this is the contacts form here. Let's click on that one. This one is the one we saw earlier, already been configured, so let's add a new one. Let's give the form a title, for instance, in this case, help. When you come into the form, you have some default functionality already set up. You have your name, your email, subject, and your message area. You can create more fields if you want to. If you want to put a telephone number, a number, a date, by using these up here. I'm just going to leave it as a default. Actually, it does very well as it is. If you go to mail, this is where it's all being sent to. Your email address, where it's from, subject, and there's a default message here. If you would like to add another mail here, which is a second email that follows this, I'm going to leave everything as it is. Messages. This is the message people get once they press the send button, and you can change this. In fact, you can change a lot of these titles here. You can change all of these if you so wish. Quite a number of standard text there. Additional settings, you can add some coding here if you so wish. So I've kept everything very much standard. The form, the mail, the messages, everything is very much standard. Once you've completed your form, save it. And what you'll now see is a short code here that you'll need to take. So you copy this short code and paste it into the page you need to go into. So I'm going to paste it here. There it is. Now all you've got to do is just update it. And there you have it. There's the form, all ready to go. If we now go to integration, you have the opportunity now for a reCAPTCHA to be put onto your form. This is very useful actually for protecting your website spams and abuse, which is becoming very common nowadays. What you need to do, you need to pop over to Google by clicking on this button here. And this is what you'll actually see. You'll be getting this box showing up on your website. So to get this, you just select Get reCAPTCHA. You'll need to put in a label, which is use a label that makes sense for everyone to identify the site in the future. So you could put my site and the domain that you want to add the protection to. So my domain.com, and then just register. What you'll then get, you'll get these codes here. So that's the site key code, this is the secret key. And what you need to do, if you go back to the plugin, is to paste those site key and secret keys in here. So I copy and paste, and copy and paste, and then just press save. So if you remember, if I go back to the site and I just refresh the page here, what we need to do now is add that in here at the bottom of the form. So to do this, you just need to go to your contact form, and this is the one I've already produced. I edit this form, and I'm going to add the CAPTCHA in here. So I click on where I want to add it, and there's the reCAPTCHA field here. I'm going to light, normal, that's fine, and I'm going to insert and then save. Back to the contact form and refresh. You now have the reCAPTCHA function. So now if you type in your information, you'll need to click the I'm not a robot and then send a message. So there you have it, a simple plugin called Contact Form 7. I've used this particular plugin on my website for years. There may be other ones out there on the market, other plugins, but I've always used this one. It's simple, it's clean, and has always worked for me. So it may work for you too. I hope you found this video useful, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.